Want to get more shares and clicks online? We'll create a Django app that produces OpenGraph social images, the image previews that you see whenever you share something online. You provide more information to people and therefore get the right people to click. So let's get into it. Here's the post that we'll be following along. I've included the link to it in the description. I've already done this setup, copy that in to create our ad and register it in the as an app in our core in settings, installed apps. Logsig. Section 2, let's generate our social image from the URL. We need to have a permanent link for that image. So let's add an image hosting service, ImageBB. It's very easy and free. Get API key, there we go. Then we'll come back to that. We also need to download a font for our image, create a folder called the media folder, media. And then we can go back to, go to Roboto and download so hit here and then Logsig, make sure Roboto regular, media, and then Roboto regular there. We could delete that if we want. Now we're actually going to generate our image, so we're going to create a services.py file in our Logsig app. I like using services.py as a way to keep things very tidy and avoid overloading your views. And we're going to paste in all this code. So we need to insert our API key here, get that API key, put it in. So let's actually have a front end to visualize that. So now we're going to open or create views in our Logsig app. It's opened here, and then paste this in. And now we create a templates folder in Logsig again to render our HTML templates, and we'll call it index.html. And then we paste this in, and then we create one more HTML, which we call preview.html, and then we paste this longer HTML and CSS in. So you can see here, this is a form, and we're going to post a URL, and then render our image, and then also show the code that we need to paste in to add our new permanent social OpenGraph image. Section 4, we're going to update our URLs, create a URLs in our urls.py, paste that in. Update our existing URLs in our core app here. We can just paste that in again. Now let's visit our app, python manage.py run. Let's try it out and then click generate. That's the image that we've created. Here is our preview. We could copy this code straight in. One thing to note here, if you visit the same page repeatedly, ImageBB might block you, might rate limit you. So if you see an error pop up saying 500 error, that's the reason. And I imagine you can upgrade your ImageBB account or use a different provider to get past that. So you've now created a Django app that allows you to build OG or OpenGraph social images whenever you want. You could add a serverless function to get rid of the need for your front end, go and take a screenshot to provide even richer content. I hope you enjoyed that, and here, check out some of the other videos. I'm making loads of them.